Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Sneakerhead. And on today's video, I got a pair of Nike Mids Court Vision white on whites. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Now guys, let's go ahead and let's get right in. Alright guys, so we're gonna just move into the unboxing kinda. Here's the size. I got the women's version because I think they looked better than the men's version, in my opinion. There's the tag. Here's the other side. The top got cut off because I got them from Nordstrom. Here's the Nike logo. And there we go. Now, let's go ahead and get into the review. I got these shoes from Nordstrom for $60. Really good deal for me. They're not the Air Forces, but I'm okay with that. I don't mind. I'll probably get the Air Forces too and do a review for those guys for you. But anyways, the breathability on this shoe is super good. I actually wore these a few times before actually making the review on them. They're actually very breathable. Like, your foot is not going to get sweaty in this shoe. The comfortability, also super comfortable. Like, it is not a joke. Like, you look at these shoes and you think they'd be uncomfortable. They're not uncomfortable at all. They're very comfortable. There's the bottom of the shoe. Looks like any other Air Force, but these are the Court Visions. These actually, they do not have air inside of them. Like, they do not have air. And the entire shoe is leather, except for the tongue and the laces, obviously, and then the bottom sole. Here's the inside. There you go. You can see the Nike logo better. And there's the tongue, a little bit deeper in there. Like I said, the insole is very squishy. You're not going to hurt your foot inside these shoes. Obviously, it's a triple white shoe, though. It is going to get dirty. So you're going to want to be careful where you take these shoes. You don't want to be going and running outside in these shoes. You want to take care of these shoes. Unless you're trying to get them that dirty aesthetic, then cool. Do what you want to do. Here, the stitching on this shoe, there's lots of stitching. I don't think this shoe is going to fall apart at all. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and let's get into the on-foot action. Alright guys, Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead, like it. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead, click on my channel. And if you enjoy my videos, you should also press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all next time on Sneaker Aesthetic.